Power Your Car have been in existence for just over 4 years. We work with a number of key partners, major utilities. The biggest challenges that we faced when scaling up were how to expand the engineer base in the field without adding the same amount of people in the back office. Jumptech have been a great help in achieving that back office efficiency. So we've got about 30 engineers in the field now currently, and we are continuing to recruit and grow the field team.
We're scheduling all installations and maintenance jobs, as well as site surveys for our customers. Having everything on Jumptech and in one place, it was a lot easier for us to multi-manage. The drag and drop tool has been absolutely essential for streamlining what we do in terms of scheduling the maintenance work. Monthly project volumes grew by over 100% within a year. And thanks to the scheduler tool, we saw an 83% reduction in project time.
Subaccreditation enables our engineers to safely de-energise the D&O equipment, and the only way to do that normally is to have an isolator fitted. This can be quite a timely process for a customer. It can take up to 6 weeks for an energy supplier to fit the fuse. In terms of operation and customer service, the SIP accreditation enables a smooth customer journey. We've enrolled Jumptech to help us with the software to send the market messaging. It's been really important to ensure it's a nice, efficient solution for the engineers. We don't want them flitting between different apps, so they're normal job software.
Jumptech's an integral part of the business. 86% of jobs that go through the DNO feature in Jumptech come back within 5 minutes as approved. It's our main job management system. It's become part of the overall process, and that's why having a really good working relationship with the team there, being able to feed in ideas and product changes is absolutely key.